Imagine for a moment, you are the greatest photographer in the world. You've discovered the easiest and most authentic way to pose couples with no real experience in front of the camera. Just kidding, here are some airplanes. It's my goal to never actually pose couples but have them just be themselves. It gives a level of comfort and certainty making them do a regular, everyday, simple life task. It's also something that you can't really overthink. That's enough jets, let's get to the oil fracking. I take a lot of frames because everything changes so quickly and I want that exact perfect frame. This video is from all the times that I made them do this over a 1 minute shoot. Thank you. And even if you want to put like an arm around each other while you kind of walk towards me here, that's good. And just, yeah, be really close together and kind of like almost cuddle into each other while walking, if that's even physically a possibility, I don't know. If it's like really weird, just don't do it. Cool. Those look really, really awesome.
Awesome.
Good location find, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. And yeah, you can look at each other for a few and then you look back at me for a couple if you want. And if you want to put an arm around each other for a few. It's like overthinking every simple day task that you do. That's great. Perfect. And same deal as before, just as close as you can kind of be together. That looks great. And you can look at each other and be happy at each other for a second. And I'm gonna make you guys walk towards me one more time. You're not in a wind tunnel, that's exciting. Perfect. And you guys look at each other and perfect. And if you want to stop right about there and just put an arm around each other and you can kind of look towards me here for the last one here. Perfect. Yeah. You know what? Even if you guys want to sit in the center of the bench, I think the symmetry will be pretty good. Or it'll be terrible. I don't know. And you can look at each other. Yeah, maybe that's weird. Let's not do that. Thank you for watching. And thank you to everyone that's joined the Patreon. On Monday, I'm going to be releasing a new video on Patreon about how to find new wedding couples. Couples that want to book you, the best wedding photographer in the world.